In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your GoDaddy website. We'll walk through the process of changing the look and feel of your site directly inside your GoDaddy account. This is a simple way to refresh your website's appearance and make it better, match your style, brand, or the overall message you want to share with visitors. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area. This is where you can access the websites connected to your account and manage their settings. After clicking on your profile, find the specific website you want to customize. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. That way, any changes you make will apply to the right website. Next, click Edit Website. This will open the website editor, where you can make visual updates and adjust the design of your site. The editor is designed to help you preview changes as you make them, which makes the process much easier and more intuitive. Once you're in the editor, click on Theme. This section controls the overall style of your website, including the visual layout, color combinations, and general design direction. If you want a faster way to give your site a new appearance, this is a great place to start. From there, click Try a New Look. Now you can explore different design options and experiment with the available styles. Take your time browsing through the choices and previewing how each one changes the appearance of your site. This step is helpful because it lets you compare different looks before deciding which one fits your website best. When you find a theme you like, select it. After that, feel free to customize your fonts and other design elements. This is where you can fine-tune the details and make the website feel more polished and aligned with your preferences. For example, adjusting the font style can make your content feel more modern, professional, or creative, depending on the look you're going for. As you make changes, try to keep your design consistent so your site feels clean and easy to read. Once you're happy with your updates, click Publish. Publishing saves your changes and makes them visible on your live website, so visitors will be able to see the new design right away. And that's it. That's how to customize your GoDaddy website quickly and easily using the built-in theme and design tools.